Welcome back, everybody. So we're just a couple days away from the new year. A new year, a fresh start, a new beginning. So much to look forward to. Let's make it a good one. You know, this time every year, I begin to reflect on the last year of my life, and I'm just full of gratitude and thankfulness that I was able to experience another year of life. Every second of every day is a gift. So I just want to make this video to encourage you guys to look forward to the bright future that awaits us. 2022 can be a great year for you, for me, for the world, but each and every one of us plays a part. And so if you get your mind in order and in alignment with what matters right now and decide on certain things that you want to see manifest in your life in the upcoming year, it's good to start now thinking about what those things are, developing a game plan, and come January 1st, implement that plan. New Year's resolutions, baby. Not everyone's into it. I'm into it. I've had great success with many of my New Year's resolutions. Not all of them. I'm not perfect. But many of them have come to fruition. They've come to manifest in my life and improve my life. Now, this is a gardening channel, so let's step outside for a moment while we can. We got a little break in the weather. We've had lots of rain come and grace the garden. So happy about that. But I want to propose a New Year's challenge to all my fellow gardeners out there, and that is this. You've heard me say it many times on the channel, but this upcoming year, my challenge is this. Dedicate yourself to 10 minutes a day in your garden or preparing for the upcoming growing season. If the weather's not allowing you to get outside, we can do anything in preparation, which is map out your garden design. Purchase seeds, begin sprouting seeds indoors, set up a grow light stand. And believe me, I know life can get busy and you may miss a day or two here and there, but what you can do is just double up the time that you miss. So if you miss a day, do 20 minutes the next day. If you miss 2 days, do 30 minutes that following day. And by doing this, you're putting forth a small amount of effort. It's really not that much, but it pays off in a huge way. By dedicating yourself this way, you'll be putting in a little over an hour of work towards your upcoming growing season each week. Total of 15 to 20 hours before spring hits in full force and we're able to head outside and spend even more time out in the garden. I'm going to have to spend extra time just finding new patches of ground where I can grow. Here's some garlic that Alice recently planted. It's doing well. But you can see just about every area of the garden has things coming up. Oregano, comfrey. We've got some Egyptian walking onions back there. The ceanothus here is pushing out some buds and just about to pop with some beautiful blooms. Back over here we have some hollyhock. Beautiful flower that has edible leaves and flowers as well. Got some artichoke. Fava beans, more hollyhock and comfrey. And I've got big plans to utilize this greenhouse to get a bunch of seeds started early, growing out things that you can't find at your local nursery or big box store. There's a lot of rare, unique, delicious crops that you can grow, but you can only do so by purchasing seed and growing them out yourself. So there's just another thing you can do in preparation. Research what can grow well in your area and find some unique varieties of those vegetables. Pick some seeds up, make sure you get them early before they sell out, and start preparing. This is how I spent my 10 minutes today. This was only a 10-minute project. This is a shoe rack, and I installed these LED grow lights on each tier. Here's 5 shelves, and this is going to allow me to slide my seedling trays in here and supplement the natural daylight that's coming into the greenhouse. But trust me, if I can put together an LED grow light shelf help me get my seedlings growing in 10 minutes. Imagine what you can get done as well. Anyway, my friends, that's going to do it for now. Just wanted to send out this gardening encouragement for you with the new year approaching. Let's really go for it and grow the best gardens of our life for the year of 2022. What do you say? Let me know down in the comments below if you're with me, and even if you're not, just let me know you're there. Say hello. I love hearing from you. So with that, take care. Have yourself a good one. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.